ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವತಃ ದೂರುದಾರೆ ಇಂದು ಅವರು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮೇಡಮ್ ನಮಸ್ತೆ.
ವಣಕಂ ಸರ್.
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಹೇಳಿ, 25,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದಿರಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಅದರಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಉಲ್ಲೇಖ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ, ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಾ?
Sir, yes sir, actually they didn't tell me like we don't have any approval like that. They given a confirmation as we got all the approval and everything. Okay, but under construction only building was there, that is fine. But the pre-primary and grade 2, I took admission for grade 2. They don't have approval for grade 2. Okay, later from one new side only we get to know that they don't have the approval for that one. Then only we went to BO office and complaint also we raised.
BO ಅವರು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಅವರು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ನಿಮಗೆ?
BO to we said first they check after our complaint only.
Okay.
Okay, it is done on. Then only they told no, they don't have any approval. Then only we did the FIR.
ಅಪ್ರೂವಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು? ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
ಕೇಳಿದಿ ಸರ್. Actually it is under construction building, so we have doubt like you have building construction approval, you have the school approval, everything. They said all approval we got. Then only we did admission actually.
ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ಇಂದೋರೆ?
No sir, that and all we don't know.
ಹಾ.
That details they won't tell to the other parents sir actually.
ಬಟ್ ಅವರು ಯಾವ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಯಾವ ಮಕ್ಕಳು? I did admission sir. My question is for my admission, what is the answer? Okay, I did admission, I pay for the admission. Without approval, why you are taking the admission? Without approval, you are building a school or whatever the building, that is okay, fine, no problem for me. But you took admission for next academic year without approval. How you took admission? That is the only question actually. And the thing is like they have to take the approval, then they have to do the admission process. Admission, everything outside banner, everything they are keeping outside building. This admission office also it is there.
And they are given the receipt also regarding the
receipt
admission.
Also they given receipt also I submitted in section actually. Proper receipt only they given, GST bill.
ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಇಂದು ಅವರೇ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ.